Question number 25. Which statement among concerning a stationary wave is correct? All the particles between two adjacent nodes oscillate in phase. Okay, let us write down the stationary wave. This is the stationary wave. These are the two nodes over here. So what happens over here? Any particle that is present over here, all the particles, when this profile is being generated, you see all of them go upwards over here. And when this is being downwards, then all of them come downward like this over here. Which means all the particles are synchronously vibrating. All the particles between two adjacent nodes oscillate in phase. So A is the right answer. Amplitude of stationary wave is equal to the amplitude of the one of the waves creating it. No, it could either be A1 plus A2, A1 minus A2, and in fact it is a function of theta also. Okay, so this is not theta or t, time over here. So this is not the correct one. The wavelength of the stationary wave is equal to wavelength of the two adjacent nodes. No, there is no displacement of a particle at an antinode in any time. No, antinode is the one where the particle vibrates to a larger extent. Okay, so this is also incorrect. The right answer is A.